Hello student, I'm well. Hope that you are also well by the grace of God. Today in this video we are going to start chapter 11 algebra exercise 11.3 as we have already completed 11.2 exercise in our previous class. So let's start the video. So 11.3 exercise question number 1, make up as many expression with numbers no variable as you can from three numbers 5, 7 and 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Use only addition, subtraction and multiplication. That means we have to use only three sign, that is addition sign, means plus sign, minus sign and multiplication sign, and using these three digits, that is 5, 7 and 8, we have to write some expressions, that is 8 into 5 minus 7, 8 into 7 minus 5, 5 into 7 plus 8, 5 plus 8 minus 7, 8 plus 5 minus 7, 8 plus 7 minus 5, 5 plus 7 into 8, 5 minus 7 plus 8. I have written this much. So you can write as much as you can using only this addition, subtraction and multiplication sign by your own wish, except this whatever I give. Okay, now let's proceed to question number 2. So question number 2 is given, which out of the following are expression with numbers only. So here are some expression. We have to find out the expression using number only. There is no variable, only number. The first one you see, a y plus 3. As y is a variable, I already mentioned, so means the from a to z all are variable. Y is a variable here, so it is not the correct answer. Then b, 7 into 20 minus 8z. So here z is a variable, so it is also not an expression with number. In c it is given 5 in bracket 21 minus 7 bracket close plus 7 into 2. So here you can notice that there is no expression variable, that is a to z, there is no variable, so we can say that it is an expression with number only. Then after that d, only 5 is there, directly we can say it is an expression with number only. After that e, thrice x is there, so x is a variable, so it is not the correct answer. Then f, 5 minus 5n, so here also n is a variable, so it is not the correct answer. And g, 7 into 20 minus 5 into 10 minus 45 plus p, so p is a variable here, that is why it is also not the correct answer. So in case of question number 2, the expression with numbers only are c and d, that is 5, 21 minus 7 plus 7 into 2, c, and d is only 5. Now let's proceed to question number 3. Question number 3 given, identify the operation addition, subtraction, division, multiplication in forming the following expression and tell how the expression have been formed. Here you can see some expression are there and what operation, that means either addition is used or subtraction is used or division is used or multiplication sign is used. We have to identify that. So a, many expression are there like z plus 1, z minus 1, y plus 17, y minus 17. So z plus 1, as we can see the plus sign is there in between, that means addition operation is used here. Then z minus 1, as we can see, subtraction, y plus 17, so addition, y minus 17, subtraction. Let's proceed to 3b. There is 17y. As we can see 17 and y, there is no sign. Always remember, when the constant and the variable are together without any sign, that means they are multiplied. That means 17 into y is 17y. So here the operation is multiplication. Then y by 17, so it is divided, so division, and 5 and z, again it is multiplication. Now let's proceed to 3c. 3c, it is given twice y plus 17. As we can notice, twice y is given, that means already multiplication done in between 2 and y, and after that addition, so operation will be multiplication and addition. Same, twice y minus 17, so operation will be multiplication and subtraction. Now d, 3d, 7m is there, that means both are multiplied, so multiplication. Minus 7m plus 3, here don't get confused because of the minus, it is not for subtraction sign, it is a negative number, minus 7. So minus 7 into m, we are getting minus 7m. So multiplication first and then plus 3, that is why addition. Again minus 7 minus 3, so multiplication and subtraction. Now let's proceed to question number 4. Question number 4 is given. Give expression for the following cases. A. 7 added to P. Okay, 7 is added to P. That means P is already there. We have to add 7 with that. So P plus 7 is the expression. Then B. 7 subtracted from P. So P is again already there. There from there 7 is subtracted. So P minus 7. P multiplied by 7. So in case of multiplication, no confusion is there. It will be 7p. That means the constant will be first, the variable will be second. That means if 7 multiplied by p also there, then also answer will be 7p only, because we need to write the constant first, then the variable. Then D. P divided by 7. So P divided by 7. So P by 7. E. 7 subtracted from minus m. Minus m already there. From there we are subtracting 7. So minus m minus 7. Then F minus P multiplied by 5. So since they are multiplied, so minus 5P. Then G. Minus P divided by 5. So since they are divided, so minus P divided by 5. Then P multiplied by minus 5. Again multiplication, so minus 5P. Okay. Now let's proceed to question number 5. Question number 5. Give expression in the following cases. It is same like 4, but there a bit short is there. Here a bit complicated is there. So 5a, 11 added to twice m. Twice m already there. We have to add 11 there. So twice m plus 11. 11 subtracted from twice m. Twice m already there. We have to subtract 11. Twice m minus 11. 5 times of y to which 3 is added. So 5 times of y means 5 into y. 5 multiplied by y. So 5y plus 3. Then 5 times of y from which 3 is subtracted. So 5y minus 3. Now y is multiplied by minus 8. So minus 8y. Y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result. So minus 8y plus 5. Y is multiplied by 5 and then the result is subtracted from 16. So 16 minus 5y. And y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. So minus 5y plus 16. Hope so it is clear. Now last question, question number 6. Form expression using t and 4. We have to use t and 4. Use not more than one number operation. Every expression must have one t in it. Expression need to be t is there, and only one expression operation we can use. So t plus 4, t minus 4. Again 4 minus t, 4 plus t will be there. So I have missed here to write this 4 plus t. So you just add that 4 plus t. Okay, and then 4 into t, so 4t. T divided by 4, so t by 4, and 4 divided by t, so 4 by t. Then 6b, form expression using y2 and 7. xb expression must have y in it. Use only two number operation. This shouldn't be different. Okay, so here we have to use y2 and 7 together, and then what happened? We have to use only two operation. So twice y plus 7, since y and 2, y need to be there. Okay, so twice y plus 7, twice y minus 7, 7y plus 2, 7y minus 2. Then we can write like 2 by y plus 7 or 2 by y minus 7. So these are the expressions. So I wrote here so on. Okay, this is the end of exercise 11.3. Hope so you have understood well. Thank you and have a nice day.